This is a short video showing a simple 2D Earth's field, MRI. The project consists of gradient coils surrounding an NMR magnetometer. The magnetometer is a modified Geller Labs design. Gradient coils were designed per the Lothar et al. Research article. 3 small circuit boards provide polarization, switching, amplification, filtering, gradient control, and analog conversion. The polarization circuit is Geller's design modified for common coil grounding and 12-volt 4-amp operation. This is the polarization and signal switching board. The preamp filter uses a state variable bandpass filter design to allow Q and frequency adjustment. The second board contains the preamp and filter. Filter simulation shows a gain of 52 at the passband. The preamp is set for a gain of 1000. Pinging the filter shows good correlation to the simulation. The controller uses a Pi Pico 2 for analog and digital I/O. Board 3 is the controller. The frequency gradient driver uses a differential digital I/O. The phase gradient driver uses filtered PWM and an amplifier forming a bipolar DAC. 3 cards in a box. For polarization, the relay switches on, then the FET supplies the coil current. When the FET turns off, the relay is delayed for coil discharge. The relay switches to readout, and after a delay, the negative frequency and phase pulse are applied. Phase is zeroed and frequency switched to positive for readout. The frequency and phase rise and fall are timed to overlap. The polarization and read coil is 600 turns of 18 AWG magnet wire on a 2-inch form. The gradient coils are on a 4-inch form. The tube is aligned perpendicular to magnetic north. The gradient coil rotation is aligned to the magnetic north direction, which points down. An example of 2 water tubes in a vertical position. An example of 2 water tubes in a horizontal position. Test sample from an apple. Load the phase data file. Adjust the full-scale display gain. Adjust the Fourier transform display gain. Set the Fourier transform span to 30 Hz. Set the procession frequency to the Lamour value. Set the data start to sample 400. Start the Fourier transform of the 33 phase scans. Complete the 2-dimension Fourier transform. More project details are available at GitHub. Thanks for watching. Dziękuję.